Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up integration to transfer new contacts from Google Contacts to MailChimp. This is necessary to automatically transfer new contacts from Google Contacts to other systems. For example, in MailChimp you can add new contacts and set up email campaigns for them. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, select the data source system, Google Contacts. Now choose an action. Get Contacts, New. At this stage, you need to connect your Google Contacts account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window you must specify the login and password of your Google account. We make sure to provide all access. When the connected account appears in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. There are no additional settings for the Google Contacts system, so just click Continue. At this stage you can set up a data filter. In this case there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. Now, you see an example of data for one of your Google Contacts contacts. If you are satisfied, click Continue. At this point, setting up the Google Contacts data source has been successfully completed. Now you need to move on to setting up the data destination. Select the system MailChimp. Next, select an action, Add Contact. At this stage you need to connect your MailChimp account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window you must specify the API key. To receive it, go to your MailChimp personal account. Then go to Profile Settings. Now go to the Extras API Keys section. Next, click Create a Key. Specify a name for the new key. Copy the API key and paste it into the appropriate field in the ApiX-Drive system. When the required field is filled in, click Continue. When the connected account appears in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. First you need to select the list to which new contacts will be added. Next you see MailChimp fields for creating new contacts. You can assign variables from Google Contacts to these fields. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. When all required fields are filled in, click Continue. At this point you see an example of the data that will be sent to MailChimp in the form of new contacts for each new contact from Google Contacts. If you are not satisfied with something, click Edit and you will go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to MailChimp. After successful sending, go to MailChimp and check the result. If you are satisfied with everything, return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue setting up. This completes the setup of MailChimp as a data destination. Now you need to enable auto-update and select an update interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.